The Dodge Challenger Convertible by Drop Top Customs is a bold reimagination of one of America's most iconic muscle cars. In a market where convertibles are becoming increasingly rare, especially among performance vehicles, this open-top Challenger fills a niche that has been missing for decades. Officially backed by Dodge through a strategic partnership, Drop Top Customs transforms the standard Challenger coupe into a fully functional and factory-warranted convertible. From the moment the video begins, the unmistakable presence of the Challenger is front and center: aggressive styling, wide body stance, and that classic muscle car charisma. But with the roof removed, this car now offers a whole new level of open-air excitement without compromising its original character. The review takes viewers through the entire conversion process, highlighting the craftsmanship and precision that goes into each build. Drop Top Customs is no stranger to such transformations, having specialized in convertible conversions for decades. The video shows how the Challenger is shipped from Dodge's factory to Drop Top's facility in Florida, where the roof is carefully removed, structural reinforcements are added, and a custom hydraulic soft-top roof is installed. This isn't just a DIY kit or aftermarket gimmick. The process is seamless, OEM quality, and includes significant engineering enhancements. Reinforced rocker panels, underbody bracing, and frame strengthening ensure that the convertible retains the structural rigidity necessary to handle the Hemi power under the hood. The hydraulic soft top itself is a work of art. The video demonstrates the top in action, fully automated, smooth in operation, and tucked neatly into a recessed compartment when open. It includes a padded, multi-layer construction for excellent insulation and noise reduction, and a heated glass rear window that maintains visibility and comfort in colder weather. With the top down, the silhouette of the car remains clean and aggressive, staying true to the Challenger's muscular design. You still get all the visual drama, a wide grille, flared fenders, and those signature taillights, but now with the added appeal of wind in your hair and an unfiltered V8 exhaust note. Inside, the Challenger Convertible doesn't skimp on luxury. The video review focuses on the cabin, which remains spacious and true to the coupe configuration. Rear seats are still present, something rare for a convertible muscle car, and the trunk retains about 80% of its original volume thanks to efficient packaging of the roof mechanism. The interior materials are premium, with available upgrades like leather-trimmed seats, custom stitching, and tech features including Uconnect infotainment, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The open-top experience adds a new level of sensory connection between the driver and the car. Engine sounds are more pronounced, wind rush is manageable thanks to aerodynamic tuning, and the car still feels well-balanced despite the lack of a fixed roof. On the road, the Challenger Convertible is a beast. The reviewer takes it for a spirited drive, showcasing its raw performance and surprisingly refined road manners. Available with multiple powertrain options, including the 5.7L Hemi V8, 6.4L Scat Pack 392, and even the Hellcat engine, the car offers the same thunderous acceleration and straight-line power as the coupe. The convertible configuration doesn't dampen performance significantly, thanks to Drop Top's thorough structural enhancements. During the test drive, there's minimal chassis flex, body roll is well controlled, and the car feels planted even through corners. With the top down, the roar of the engine becomes an integral part of the experience. There's something primal about hearing a supercharged V8 without a roof muffling the sound. The car becomes not just a vehicle, but a visceral performance machine. The review also touches on pricing and availability. The conversion itself costs approximately $25,000 in addition to the base vehicle price. While that's a significant premium, it's justified by the quality of the work, the warranty retention, and the uniqueness of the end product. Buyers can order the convertible through participating Dodge dealers, making the process streamlined and less risky than going through an independent aftermarket shop. What's even more impressive is that the converted car retains Dodge's factory warranty, which is rare in the custom world. Drop Top Customs also includes its own workmanship guarantee, giving added peace of mind to customers. The video wraps up with a summary of the Challenger Convertible's strengths: unmatched style, roaring performance, and the freedom of top-down driving, all while staying true to its muscle car roots. The reviewer emphasizes that this car isn't just about looks. It's a practical and drivable convertible that doesn't sacrifice the muscle or attitude that made the Challenger famous. Of course, it may not appeal to purists who want the stiffest, most track-ready version of the car, but for those seeking a unique driving experience with flair, it's a compelling option. Enthusiasts and collectors alike will appreciate its rarity, and as the Challenger line nears the end of its production, this convertible version stands out as a fitting farewell to Dodge's muscle legacy. In conclusion, the Dodge Challenger Convertible by Drop Top Customs is more than just a coupe with the roof chopped off. It's a thoughtfully engineered, professionally executed, and thoroughly enjoyable performance machine. Whether you're cruising through the city, taking a weekend road trip, or just enjoying a summer drive, this car delivers the full muscle car experience with an extra dose of freedom and flair.